Hi everyone, Maxine here. Welcome to my channel. Boy, I'm sure glad to be back. I have been AOL for probably a couple weeks now. Long story short, I've just had to switch out my studio from one room in the house to another, and it has been, I have a lot of stuff. Trying to, well, actually move everything in and try and organize things into, well, significantly what I'm finding is a smaller space. All my measuring and planning, well, it looked better on paper, let's say. Anyway, so I am finally getting set up a little bit, and we're going to continue with the projects we had. We were doing an altered book, and we are also working on an ephemera holder. So we will continue with those, but I wanted to get out a little something first while things are still, being organized. Anyway, I just yesterday received my order from Mixed Media, Minnesota. They're on Etsy. And this, I believe, was the February kit that she gives. She does a monthly kit, and this is the first time I've ordered one. So let's have a look and see what all is in this kit. So we've got some wonderful trim here. Really beautiful soft pink and white colors. That's going to be fun to use. And, oh, yeah. Cheesecloth. White cheesecloth. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, yeah. Oh, no, it keeps going. So, yeah, this is a nice big piece of cheesecloth. So this is really handy. I love using cheesecloth, especially as just a little bit of something behind, something else, and have a little bit sticking out. And of course, this stuff is really easy to tea dye, coffee dye, food color dye, eco dye, whatever you want to do. Make it whatever color. Have some pretty bits of lace here. I have this black. This might be better. A little bit of lace and some more trim. Effervescent. That's going to be nice. That's pretty. And some twill. Looks like it might be kind of a soft pink color. That's always fun to have. And we've got some shabby chic bouquet elements. 44 pieces. Wow. Let's see. This is a lot of fun getting these kits, I must say. Oh, boy, I tell you, I've missed you guys. Let's see here. Oh, nice. Oh. I love Paris stuff. I love pink and Paris. Bird cages and bottle. Cage of Paris with roses. Oh, all kinds of wonderful stuff. This is like die cut. These are all die cut elements. So, wow, these are really pretty. Oh, look at the little bird. birdhouse. Oh, another bird. Ooh, that's a pretty one. Look at that. I don't know if this camera is picking up the sparkle or not, but these are all have sparkles on them. I love bling. Paris pink and bling. That's my favorite things. Okay, well those will be nice to have. Okay, let's see what else is in this bag. Ooh, some flowers. These are I'm not sure what that's made out of. Kind of like a fabric, I guess. Yeah. Kind of fabric. Prima flowers. This doesn't really say item number. Doesn't really say what color or, but I don't know. They're not really pink. Here's that pink. More of maybe a dusty rose or a coral kind of color. Really pretty though. I always love having these little flowers. Let's see, there's more here. Acetate and paper. So this is Prima too, and there's a bag here of acetate, ephemera, and a bag of paper cutouts, die cuts. Feel like die cuts. Boy, that's nice. There's a lot in here. Well, 49 pieces it says. So I don't know if you can pick that up very well or not, but they're acetate. So that's going to be fun. Oh, what else we got here? We got some doilies. Paper doilies. I can't tell. There we go. So it looks like 3 pieces of paper doilies. Those are always nice. Oh, look at this. A Tim Holtz stencil. Roses. So it looks like the theme of this is roses. This month. I think, well, like I said, I think it's February. And some pink acrylic paint. That's pretty color, isn't it? Oh. And texture paste. Yay! Always love to have that. And last but not last but not least, here's something else in here. What is that? Liquid pearls. Whee! That's a nice color. Oh, I'm so excited. And very last is a paper pad. Stamperia Shabby Rose. 10 double face sheets. I like double-sided. Not only is both sides finished, but the paper is a little bit stronger, sturdier when it's double-sided, I have found. So, yeah, even all this would be usable too. Oh, and look at the back of that. Oh, my camera does not I don't have a very big area, so holler if I'm not in 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 the right field here. Ooh, look at this page. Isn't that pretty? Love the butterfly and roses throughout. And this is pretty paper. Look at that. There's some cutouts. Oh, and the back of that's nice too. See, what's nice about this double-sided paper is that, you know, like this cutout is an envelope. Well, you cut it out and it's already finished on the inside, so that's nice. Here's some more cut aparts. Postcards, journaling cards, tabs. The back of that. Really pretty with some writing in the background. Ooh, this is pretty too. Bunch of little pink roses. And again, kind of watercolor type background. This one looks pretty. All these pages are so pretty. Striped wallpaper type. Here's some more journaling cards. Cut aparts, or if you don't want to use that, you could use this. Round ones. Now, I don't know. a lot of the digital kits have these round elements. I don't know what to do with them. So if you have any suggestions, or if you found something that they work well with, let me know. I mean, other than just a focal point, these are kind of big. So yeah, let me know in comments if you found a use for those round elements, because I just, oh, look at that. That's so pretty. This would make a really nice keepsake album. Or what do they call them? Scrapbook mini album, I think. This would make a nice one for that. I have some of those in my shop. Not as many as the journals, but I do have quite a few. I call them memory keepers. And actually, I started using one. I had one I made that didn't quite turn out good enough to sell, in my opinion. So I started using it for my own memorabilia and you know, Christmas cards and birthday cards that I've gotten over the years. I just kind of gathered up all these things, you know, these mementos from all the nooks and crannies and places they were. I had tickets from when my husband and I went on a cruise, and yeah, I just gathered up all this stuff and started putting it in that memory keeper album. And yeah, it's nice, you know, just to have all this memorabilia in one place. So it's like, oh, well, you know, maybe I should use the stuff I've been making for others. These could also be used, but you wouldn't want to mess up that paper. That is so pretty. That is so pretty. Anyway, so that is the kit. And yeah, lots of stuff. Twill and lace and trims. Stencil. I always love to have those. Doilies. And lots of ephemera. Cut aparts. Die cuts. and the roses. Wait a minute, I can't get it all in frame. There's so much. Oh, sorry. Oh, I bumped you. Oh, sorry. Anyway, that's it. So anyway, like I said, it's Mixed Media Minnesota. She's on Etsy, and this is the February kit, and rush over there because I'm sure she's going to be sold out really quickly. This is beautiful. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you soon, and we will finish with the projects that we had going. Bye. If you enjoy or you want to continue to see more things, please subscribe and hit like. Thanks. Bye-bye.